A lot of people ask me, what should I do if I get in an accident? And, what I tell people is it's very important if you get in an accident, let's say, for instance, you're stopped at a red light, minding your own business, and you get rear-ended. Well, what do I do? If you're hurt, if you even think you're hurt, call 911 and get an ambulance on the scene, get the proper medical treatment that you require. That, of course, is paramount. That's number one concern. If you've got the aches and pains, you don't think that you necessarily need an ambulance right there and then. Number two, what do you do? What do you do if you're sitting at a red light, you get rear-ended, there's damage to your car, your mind's racing a mile a minute? What do you do? What are you supposed to do? Well, the number one thing that you have to do by Florida law is you have to exchange information with the other party. So the law says, and common sense for that matter, you pull off as close to the scene as you can, but to a safe area. It could be a side road, it could be a shoulder, it could be up on the grass, but your safety is the number one concern. You don't sit there in the middle of the intersection, and have cars zipping by you and have further injury. So once you get to a safe spot, you exchange information with the other car or the other party. So what does that mean? You get their driver's license, you get their insurance, name of their insurance, you get their insurance information, get their phone number, and then you do the same. You give them your driver's license, you give them your insurance information. Second thing that absolutely have to do at the scene, get photographs of the property damage. If your car is damaged, get photographs of it. If the car that hit you is damaged, photograph it at the scene. You need to document that. When emergency personnel show up, feel free to let them render aid. A lot of people, I don't have insurance, I can't afford it, I don't want to go to the hospital, and I get that. But they're genuinely hurt, and they're hurting, and they put off treatment because they're worried about finances. So it's important to get the treatment that you need, even if it's on scene, even if it's going to the hospital. It is very common for people at the scene to have their adrenaline running and be in shock. The natural instinct for anybody, hey, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I have my limbs, I'm not bleeding. Yeah, I'm okay. Hour later, when the adrenaline subsides, they head home. Oh my gosh, my neck's killing me. My back's killing me. What do I do?